Today is the day that I finally organized my closets, out with the old, just so we can have space and actually see the things that I have going on, you guys. There's somewhat of an organization in the chaos, so I've been rearranging my clothing items. I've pulled a lot of stuff out of here, which I'm embarrassed to show you guys, but I've decided to make this entire rack all outerwear. So all of my faux fur jackets are right in the back since they're very bulky, and just like all my dressy stuff for events and date nights and brunch and all that like girl stuff, because before I had everything just color coded up here that was not necessarily like sweats or anything, so it took a lot of the bulk out of this section. This is just shirts and sweaters. I still feel like I can declutter this a little bit better, because I know for a fact there are a ton of stuff in here that I don't wear because the sizing is off, or I need to get something tailored, or it's a seasonal item, you know? So we're working on that. And then I have some of my jackets. This section, for the most part, is okay. Like, I know all of these bottoms fit me. This is a mess. Up here, I would like to kind of go through the things that I have. And I know there's a bunch of bottoms that I threw up there that I do not wear anymore. My dog's going crazy. This is gonna have to be for another day, but all of this is swimwear and cover-ups. So I need to go through and figure out what fits me, because I have lost some weight, so a lot of my stuff is too big. So there's no point in me having it still. Here is where I have my shoes. I don't have a lot of shoes, I don't think, but for the most part these are just sneakers, and I don't even wear my Vans anymore. I bought these beautiful black velvet Vans, maybe wore them one time for an Instagram photo and maybe a couple times after that, but I think I'm gonna throw these ones up on my Poshmark. So if anyone is interested, there's a little fuzzy on here, in getting these are a women's size 8.5 black velvet Vans. So love. I just don't wear them enough, literally, to hold on to them. Let's see, I also have my flame ones. These I actually love. I think for summertime those are cute with like shorts. And then I have high top Vans, which again I never really wear, so maybe I should start wearing those, and some loafers. So yeah, I'm just trying to make room for stuff. These are all of my boots. Doc Martens back there. Do I really wear those? No. But do I feel like I should hold on to them? Yes. I've cleared out an entire drawer. This is where all of my workout gear goes, so that only means that I need to figure out which leggings fit me still, which ones are overworn and overwashed. This is a pile of stuff that I need to try on. Unfortunately, all of my high-waisted shorts don't fit me in the waist. They're too loose on me, so I'm probably gonna throw those up on my Poshmark, because they're really great quality denim. Love them so much, but again, what's the point of having them if they're literally 2 sizes too big? Some jeans I have to try on. All of this is literally workout clothes that was in this bottom drawer. This is trash / donate. And then I just pulled out all of the bulky sweaters, and I have like onesies in here somewhere that I need to hang up in my closet. So there's stuff everywhere, but there's a little bit of organization to the chaos that is my studio apartment. But guys, it's spring cleaning. It's time to get rid of the things that no longer serve us, get rid of all of the things that we keep saying, oh, we're gonna wear that one time, or we're gonna wear that again, and we never actually do. Like, why are you holding on to it? It's not doing anything but taking up space. So it's got to go. But I know once I finish up my closet today, I know I'm gonna feel so much more lighter, I'm gonna feel happier, I'm gonna walk into my closet every day feeling inspired again. And I think I lost my inspiration to get dressed just because everything was piled on top of each other. One more thing I also want to do is switch over to all velvet hangers because they're so much thinner, they take up less space and you can fit a lot more. It also looks really crazy having two different types of hangers hanging up, but that'll be a work in progress. I think I'm gonna try to switch over this entire rack at least to the velvet hangers. So I'll link mine down below. You can get them on Amazon for super inexpensive. But like, how nice is it to have all of your nice dressy outfits just like hanging up? You can come in here and just shop your own wardrobe every time. I think that's the mood that I want to create in this space. Oh, and then down here, don't mind my vacuum, this is where I have my bulkier jackets. Like, literally haven't worn this winter coat, guys, in several years, so I'm debating on getting rid of it because it just takes up way too much space. But all my bomber jackets and stuff, I love jackets. I can't get rid of these. I've already tried to downsize, but do I need this flannel? Do I wear this flannel? I definitely don't. Definitely doesn't go there. But yeah, I love my little jackets and stuff, so it's unfortunate they take up so much space, but it is what it is. And I've also hung up all of my necklaces. I just put some thumb pins in the wall just so that they don't get tangled up. And when I want to wear them, I can. So this is really fun to have those there. Sometimes I forget they're there because they're behind the door, but this is a great little DIY that you can do to create some storage space, you know, for your jewelry and stuff, especially necklaces that tend to be a nightmare to detangle. I literally just revamped this in 2.5 seconds. So again, I wear my hoodies in a 3XL. So if you guys have the Doll Gang sweatshirts or the merch, if you want to turn your existing hoodie into a crop like this, I basically did 2 knuckles, so like 2 inches or so above the pocket, where the pocket ended, because it'd be weird to cut that in half. So this is like a perfect length to wear with biker shorts. Here we go. I think I'm going to turn this one into a crew neck as well, but I'm not going to crop it because this one's my graphic. So I'm going to revamp that. This is another one where my drawstrings got lost in the sauce. Basically, my dryer ate it. So I'm going to cut the hood off of that one and continue to jam out to Ariana Grande. This has just been the best morning, you guys. I don't know what it is about decluttering my space. I knew I wanted to do my closet at some point for my spring cleaning, just to go into spring with a fresh start, you know, not for the purpose of, oh, let me buy more clothes and fill it up again. No, but I just wanted to get rid of the old stuff that didn't bring me joy, because I would walk into my wardrobe literally thinking, oh my god, I have all these clothes, but I have nothing to wear. Like, I just was not inspired. So organizing everything and putting things in different places, decluttering the stuff that didn't fit. I have a pile of clothes that I want to photograph to go up on my Poshmark, so definitely head over there and check that out. If you sign up with my coupon Kayla_Lashae Lashae_, I'm sorry, you guys will get $10 off your order, and of course you can create bundles on there as well to shape. Wow, I can't talk today. To save on the shipping. Oh my god, I'm frazzled. It's the coffee. So I'm gonna do that at some point this week. And I also pulled out some stuff from my other closet, like the side of my laundry. So I think I'm gonna switch over my gym bag to a backpack and see how I like that, because I'm going to the gym all the time and I really need a good bag that holds all of my necessities. I'm also thinking about shooting a what's in my gym bag video this week as well, so comment down below if you guys would be interested in that. But for now, I'm all in the vibe of spring cleaning, out with the old, in with the new, and I'm already just in that good vibration, great headspace. A lot of the weight is lifted off of my shoulders. I feel lighter, my space feels lighter and more airy. So I'm here for the good time. So here for it. And I also have this trash bag too for this pile on the floor. And I have another pile on the other side of my apartment, closer to the door. But let me DIY my hoodie and I will be back.